Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the following system of equations where we have to find real solutions of a, b, c, d. So here a, b, c and d are real numbers. So let's start. So let me call these equations first, this one is second, and if I square both sides of the first equations, then I will get from the first equation a plus b plus c plus d to the power of 2 is equal to, so 20 squared is 400. So now how can I square these four numbers? So we know the formula for two numbers, as you remember, a plus b to the power of 2 is always equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So therefore, let me take this a plus b as a whole and now square. So for easily square this number, so I'm taking here a plus b as a whole and c plus b as a whole. So therefore, using now this formula, we'll get a plus b to the power of 2 plus 2 times a plus b times c plus d and plus c plus d to the power of 2. This one is equal to 400. So now again I am applying this formula to this squares. So therefore I will get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus, so let me immediately expand this product. So therefore I will get inside the bracket ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So therefore the second square is c squared plus 2cd plus d squared is equal to 400. So now let me group a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared and plus, so we can see that I can factor out 2 from the three expressions, so to get ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd and plus cd. This one is equal to 400. So now we can clearly see that AB plus AC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD is equal to 150. So therefore, if I substitute into this expression 150, then I will get a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared is equal to, so this is going to be 2 times 150 is equal to 300. So if I move 300 to the right hand side, then I will get 100. So therefore our new system of equations will look like this: a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared is equal to 100, and ab plus ac plus ad, so plus bc plus bd and plus cd is equal to 150. So now let me call this equation as third and this one is first. So now multiplying the third equation both sides by 3 and third equation by 2, then I will get 3a squared plus 3b squared plus 3c squared plus 3d squared is equal to 300. And here I am multiplying the first equation by 2, so therefore I will get 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ad plus 2bc plus 2bd plus 2cd is equal to 300. So now let me call this equation as 5 fifths, this one is 6. So now subtracting from 5 the sixth equation, I will get 3a squared plus 3b squared plus 3c squared plus 3d squared and minus, so let me immediately factor out 2, so here ab plus ac plus AD plus BC plus BD and plus CD is equal to 0. So now let's work on the last equation for this. So now, as you can see, I can group the last equation as, so let me group to get 4 perfect squares. So let's see together. I can group like this: a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the first. And plus a square minus 2ac plus c square. So, and plus a square minus 2ad plus d square, right? And so plus now here b square minus 2bc plus c square plus b square minus 2bd plus d square, and then last one is c square minus 2cd plus d square. This one is equal to 0. And we see that each expression in the bracket are perfect squares. So therefore I will get that a minus b to the power of 2 plus a minus c to the power of 2 plus a minus d to the power of 2 plus b minus c square plus b minus d square and plus c minus d square, which is equal to 0. So we see that the sum of 6 squares are equal to 0. So we can conclude that the sum of 6 squares will be 0 when each squares will be equal to 0. So therefore a minus b square is equal to 0 and a minus c is equal to 0 and a minus d is equal to 0. So b minus c is equal to 0 and b minus d to the power of 2 is equal to 0, and the last one is c minus d square is equal to 0. So therefore here we will get the following equations: a minus b is equal to 0, so a minus c is equal to 0, and a minus d is equal to 0, and b minus c is equal to 0, so b minus d is equal to 0, and c minus d is equal to 0. So from this we'll get that a is equal to b, a is equal to c, a is equal to d, and b is equal to c, b is equal to d, and c is equal to d. So therefore we can conclude that from this we'll get that a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d. So now using this we can now write here our original system of equations. So a plus b plus c plus d, as you remember, is equal to 20, and ab plus ad plus ac plus bd plus bc plus cd is equal to 150. And if we substitute into the first equation this equality, then we'll get that a plus a plus a plus a is equal to 20, and here 4a is equal to 20 and a is equal to 5. So therefore, since a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d, we'll get that our final answer is a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is 5. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.